Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today we're getting creative with our slide design. We'll be using a paper cutout effect to add depth that will grab your audience's attention. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe to SlideUpLift for more such tips and tutorials. On PowerPoint, open the Shapes menu and click on Curve. By clicking on different points, draw your desired curve. Complete the shape by connecting your last point to the first. Next, in the Shape menu, you can format the shape by changing its color and adding an outline. Next, select the shape and expand the Drawing section to open the Shape Format menu. In Shape Effects, click on Shadow and use one of the presets given. Adjust the transparency, size, blur, angle, and distance as needed. Create some more shapes and repeat the steps. Don't be afraid to play around with a variety of shapes. You can even show depth through holes by adjusting the angle and preset accordingly. When designing a slide like this, choosing a good layout is quite important. You should consider your audience, information type, and balance. We're adding shapes along the top and bottom for a clean, visually interesting design. Once you've created the background, simply add a text box for your content and format it. There you have it, a title slide with a paper cutout effect that will surely engage your audience. Don't forget to experiment and have fun with this technique. If you have any questions or creative ideas, leave them in the comments below. And for more slide design tips and tricks, be sure to like and subscribe.